Right, so the postman's been this morning, so we've got our number 65s. This is a switch setup, so as you've probably seen, you start it with a screwdriver. So this would be the new switch, which my mate Billy's going to help me with, because I'm not that great on wiring these things. Just waiting for the resistor or diode to turn up for the ignition barrel, because you need to take that off so the ECU still works correctly, so that needs to be soldered in line with that. We're still waiting for that to arrive. Got some of these snazzy anodised looking fasteners for the fairing, and that's about it. Dad's welded the baffle up for me, so I'm going to go and collect that later and show you that. I need to fit that to the silencer just in case she's too loud, and that's about it for this morning. Right, so that's the numbers fitted, and we've got the new fasteners down here. Looking good. So made a little spacer up to keep that, but it's behind that bolt there for the keep the fairing away from the frame, so you can do that nice and tight, don't fall off. Right, so this was a old Baffle I had from an old FZR 600, I think, that me and Dad had as a track bike. So I had this lying around, but as you can see, it didn't really fit in the hole, as they say. So anyway, I took some bits of metal around to Dad and said, Dad, can you sort this out for us, as I'm busy doing some other bits and pieces on it. So Dad made us up this adapter ring out of some old bits of metal tube, bit of welding, and he kindly managed to get it on the lathe and turn this, the inside and the outside diameters all nice and neat. And the OD is 43mm, which is right for the Aquaprovic silencer. So this just slips over the end like that. Sorry, I'm just trying to do it one-handed. There you go, just like that. Hole lines up perfectly, and then that goes in the bike. The next job is just to drill a 6mm hole in the can, and then wind the nut in. Job done. That's in case it's too noisy, but we shall see. But it's good to be prepared for these kinds of things. Right, so just use the trusty step drill and drilled a hole in the bottom of the silencer for the M6 bolt. So now we'll just get the baffle and see if it fits. Right, so there we have it. All fits perfectly. Well done, Dad. Thank you very much indeed. So I've just added a new bolt there and a little spring washer so it doesn't fly out and hit anyone. So yeah, there we go. Another little job done. I'll take it out again now and we'll just put it in the toolbox in case I fail noise testing. Right, here comes another Mark's top tip. So get yourself a paint marker like this off of eBay. These are about £2 delivered, something like that. On critical bolts on the bike, so your foot pegs, gear change, handlebars, you know, all the crucial safety stuff. You obviously want to make sure the bolts are all taut to the correct setting, and thread lock added if needed, depending on the application. So you know, these are, I've done these up nice and tight so they're ready to rock. So all you simply do is get your pen, mark on the bolt and mark on the component there, i.e. the rear set, and there you have it. So you can quite quickly see if anything's moved or come undone, just a visual check in the pits after you've had a run on the bike. There you go.
Like and subscribe if you want to see another motorbike video. Would you like to say? Would you like to say? Would you like to say? You need to say this is